In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your company info in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your business information up to date is important for maintaining accurate records and ensuring that details like your company name, address, and contact information are correctly displayed on invoices, receipts, and other customer-facing documents. Whether you're making minor adjustments or updating your legal details, QuickBooks Online makes it easy to manage these changes. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open up a list of options. From there, select Account and Settings. This will take you to the settings window where you can make all the necessary adjustments to your company information. Next, navigate to the Company tab within the settings window. This is where most of your business details are stored, and you'll be able to edit various fields. Start by reviewing the sections for company name and legal name. If any changes are needed, click the edit icon next to each field and type in the updated information. If your business has a business ID, such as a tax identification number, you can update it here as well. Simply locate the relevant field, click to edit, and input the correct number. Now, move on to the company address and legal address sections. These are important for both correspondence and legal purposes, so accuracy is key. Review the current information, and if any changes are required, update these fields accordingly. Next, take a look at the customer-facing email. This is the email address your clients will see on invoices and other communications. Make sure it's set to an inbox that you actively monitor so you don't miss any important messages. If it needs updating, go ahead and adjust it. After that, review the phone number and the website fields. If your contact number or website URL has changed or needs to be corrected, edit these fields to reflect the current details. Now, scroll down to select your industry and business type if updates are required. These fields help categorize your business, so ensure they are accurate and up to date. Finally, you can upload or update your company logo. This is a great way to personalize your invoices and other customer-facing documents. Make sure the image you use is a clear, high-quality square image. If you already have a logo uploaded but want to replace it, click the Edit option and upload the new file. As you make changes to each section, be sure to click Save to confirm and apply your updates. Once you've finished editing all the necessary fields, click Done to close the settings window. If you don't see your updates reflected immediately in forms or other areas, simply refresh your page. This ensures all the changes are properly applied and visible. And that's it. You've successfully updated your company information in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.